welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today's tip is that guess what? Happy Inktober, y'all! Can you believe it? It's already fall and so it's time to start drawing. But I do encourage you to think outside the box a little bit. Just because it's Inktober doesn't mean it's all black and white, folks. Now granted, you know, pen and ink is fantastic, but it doesn't need to be just black. There's all kinds of different inks available out there. Super fun stuff for you to try. All kinds of cool stuff to do. And I brought just a few examples. Now granted, we have a couple of like traditional stipple pieces, you know, black ink on a white surface. That's great, but I do encourage you to look at some other options. Like for instance, Brusho, which we have talked about several times in the past few months, is actually like a dye-based watercolor slash, you know, ink, and it is super fun. So I did like a wet treatment on this with some poppies and then some Sharpie oil pen on top of it. That's an ink, folks. This is super fun. It was a great, like, relaxing kind of piece to do, and I think it turned out pretty cool. Or you can also look at like chrome pens from Molotow. Those are fantastic and did a really cool piece on some colored paper here. So just take some time, enjoy yourself, celebrate Inktober, and try some new stuff. Maybe drawing's not your thing, but maybe you should give it another look. See all of the fun things that you can now do with inks, whether it's alcohol inks, acrylic inks, you know, all kinds of great ink pens that we have now. So take a look at Inktober. It's a heck of a lot of fun, and we're sure that you'll enjoy.